So hello everyone. So welcome to today's live session. So basically we have predicted yesterday, right? So if the market opens near about this yesterday high, then only we'll buy. Otherwise we won't buy. So Bank Nifty here is almost flat, I would say, but not. But just let me check. No, it's not at all flat. It's a huge gap up in Bank Nifty also. So my current trades are Reliance, I would say, and Infosys, which I'm also tracking. These are the two swing trades that I have taken. So I will share you how particularly I have taken this Reliance trade and Infosys trade. So let us go to some of the things. Okay, so basically, see, I'm also checking in the multiple time frames and have to check Nifty and Bank Nifty also side by side, right? So you can see here the buying pressure of Nifty also. So it has opened here and the buyers are pushing it upwards. Okay, similarly for Bank Nifty, a huge gap up is there. Okay, so according to our option change, it was very easy to predict, and congratulations Nifty everyone, like Nifty has crossed 15,000. So let's go for Reliance and Infosys trade and let us understand what has happened in Reliance and Infosys. Okay, so here is Reliance, where I bought Reliance near about this area. Okay, this is very simple. The trade was very simple. If you'd see, this is the supply zone, this is the support zone, which I would say. So here also, like multiple time it is tested. So if you see here, we got a buying move, here we got a buying move, here we got again a buying move, right? And so Reliance result is also nearby, so we don't even know how the results will be impacted or not. So basically my target was, whenever Reliance comes to this 18,000 1833 and 1890 at this levels, I generally buy Reliance. Okay, so for example, this part also I have given a good trade in Reliance. If you have remembered, my group members know it. So here also we have taken a very good trade in Reliance last time, and now also I am entering Reliance. I had already entered Reliance here. Okay, and now you can see today it has opened around 2041, right? I have taken the trade on 1950, I guess. So 1950 I have entered Reliance. Okay, so similarly for Infosys, I would say Infosys is having a very good trend line out here. So let us look into it. Okay, so this is the trend line which I'm talking about. Okay, so let us go to the charts and plot that thing so that you can understand. So this is the trend line I'm talking about in Infosys. Okay, so this is the trend line. So in Infosys also we have bought it somewhere around here. Okay, so yesterday I have taken a position in Infosys over here, this particular area. This particular area Infosys I have entered, and this is the part where I have entered with Reliance. Okay, so you can check my current position. Okay, so this is my equity portfolio. Okay, so here I'm having all the holdings for long term, I would say. Let's come to the future and options part. So if you see here, wait, okay, so if you see here, today the gain is almost around 16,000 and I'm having total profit of 27,000. Okay, so here if you see Reliance trade, I have taken around 19,000 1955 I bought, and now the current price is somewhere around 2041. So almost 100 points we took up in Reliance. So I'm holding this because various other factors are also there, which I will be sharing in my swing trading tutorials. So, and Infosys, if you have seen, like I have taken around 1354 and now the price is 1366. Okay, so this two trades only I will hold, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is like how I trade on swing trades. So this I shared this because to get you guys familiar with what is swing trading, how we work on swing trades, what is the time frames we need for swing trade. So these were all. So thank you everyone. Just subscribe the channel so that you can get all the updates about my positions, how I trade, and without sharing knowledge, like we can't able to grow. So thank you everyone.